Today, I'm going to teach you how to dribble a deck of cards. Start by holding the cards from above in the right hand, 3 fingers at the front, thumb at the back, and the index finger curled on top. But you want to shift your hand so that your right pinky is at the outer corner here and your right thumb is at the inner corner here. So you've got diagonal pressure on the cards like this. Now flex the cards upward against the counter pressure of the right index finger and let the cards flick off of the thumb here one at a time like so. You want to make sure you can go through the entire deck slowly, getting just 1 or 2 cards to flick off at a time. And you also want to practice getting the cards to fall into an outstretched left hand so they don't go flying all over the table. And eventually you'll be able to dribble the cards like this.